Hi guys, it's your divorce and family law attorney, Attorney Terry S. Aaron, here in the state of Georgia. And this week, I want to answer your questions, okay? It costs money to do a consultation with me, so I consider this to be valuable information. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so let's just take a look, okay? Now, my first question, does it matter who files for a divorce first? I'm not going to say who actually sent this question over. It is out of Atlanta, okay? All right, so does it matter who files the divorce first? Listen, it really doesn't matter, but a lot of times people want to start and they want to go ahead and file the divorce. And here's my take on things. If you file the divorce first, normally you're the most prepared. You've had a chance to change bank accounts. You've had a chance to kind of dial back in what you're spending. You've had a chance to prepare as opposed to someone who's actually served the summons for divorce and they're kind of surprised and now they're having to play catch up. So in that regard, it would matter. But otherwise, there's no big deal as to who files the divorce first. All right, let's go to our second question. Let's see here. Now, how is it determined who gets the marital home? That's a very good question. And listen, there's so much that goes into who gets the marital home. But here's the thing. If you've been the stay-at-home wife or the stay-at-home husband and you don't have a job, you don't have any income, you don't really have the credit, the judge is going to be looking at whether you're going to be able to afford this home, okay? Whether you're going to be able to afford the home, and also whether you're going to be able to refinance the home to have it solely in your name. That makes a big difference because the judge will not make the spouse keep this house in their name indefinitely, okay? So you have to be able to afford the home. But if you cannot afford the home and you're wanting to be awarded the home, the other alternative is to either have your spouse buy you out, giving you their portion or your portion of the equity, or what you guys can do is just simply put the house on the market and split the proceeds. All right, so let's jump into another question, okay? All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, Roswell, Georgia. All right, that's my side of town. All right, how does the judge determine who gets custody of the children? That's a great question. And listen, there are several factors that the judge is looking at, okay? There is not one determining factor. There are several. But one of the things the judge will look at is historically, who's been the primary caretaker of the children during the marriage, okay? That's one of the things that the judge will look at. You guys, these were some great questions. And listen, if I did not get a chance to answer your question, just leave your question in the comment section so that I can get to it, okay? And listen, if you need some kind of question answered right now, or you need some action right now, give me a call. I understand that divorce is not limited to a 2 to 3 minute video. Give me a call so we can have a one-on-one session where we can go over strategy to get you divorced.